how to share WhatsApp group links. First of all, you'll have to open the WhatsApp and open your WhatsApp group whom you want to share with the link. So this is the group. So after opening in the group, you'll have to tap on the profile section. So simply tap on it. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the options like invite by link. So simply click on that option. Okay. So from here, you can copy the link and paste it to your friends on any platform, or as you can share the link direct from here. So simply I'm clicking on this share link option. Okay, so from here I can share the link to WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram. So likewise, you can also share the WhatsApp link of our group. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.